Hello, my dear friends. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel Guruji Education Wala. Today we are going to learn about some text or string functions in Excel. Some of them are left, right, mid, and length. So these functions are very useful and important role in Excel. So we are going to learn these functions one by one. All these functions are work on a string or particular text. Here I have taken the same text on which we are going to perform all these functions or formulas. So the text is my YouTube channel name, that is Guruji Education Wala. Okay. So first we are going to see the formula, how the function or formula is works. So first we have to write down the left, left, then into the bracket whatever may be the text we are going to uh, uh, whatever may be the text on which we want to perform the operation or we want to apply the formula, that text we have to be mentioned. You can directly write down the text, or you can give the cell reference of a particular text. So here we are going to give the cell reference of Guruji Education Wala. Then the number of characters from left. So in this text function, we have to give the number of characters from left of the string. The left side is yours only, okay, not the text. So if we want Guruji, I want to print the Guruji. So I have to enter the number of characters, okay. G means one character, U means one character. So such type of characters I have to be mentioned over there. How many characters I want to print. So here GURUJI, 6 characters I want to be print from left. So I'm going to type the formula over here. Okay. So all of you know that whenever we are going to type a formula in Excel, it will be starts with is equal to sign, equal to, then left, then I have to mention the text or reference cell. So this is the reference cell C6, comma, I want 6 characters from left. So I am entering 6, then bracket close, and I am going to enter. So here is the output Guruji. So whatever the text is given, how many characters you want, you have to enter those characters into that formula and you will get a particular output. Okay. Similarly, the right function is going to work, but it will be work from the right side of the text. Okay. So the formula is right, then again you have to enter the text or the cell reference in which the text is written. Okay. After that, the number of characters from right which you want to print. So you have to calculate those number of characters and you can mention that number into the formula. So here suppose we want to print the education wala from this text. So we have to calculate the number of characters from right which we want to print into the output. So one double A is there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So we want to print the 14 characters from the right. So again we will start to write the function. So all we know is that first we have to uh, uh, type the is equal to sign, then write the function name. After that we have to mention the cell address or cell reference, then I have to mention the number of characters from the right, that is 14. After that press enter. So here is the output, that education wala it is going to be printed. Okay. So this is the use of write function. Whatever may be the characters from a particular string you want to print from the right hand side, so you have to calculate those numbers and you have to be mentioned into the formula after the text or the cell reference. The next one is that mid function. As mentioned above, left and right function, it is mandatory in left and right function. The calculation starts from either either left side or from the right side. What if we want to mention a particular uh, we want to take a particular part of a string which is at the middle of the string. So at that time we have to use the mid formula. So the formula is given over here. So mid formula is start with mid mid, then the bracket open, then you have to mention the text or the cell reference. After that, from you have to mention the start number, from which character you want to print the out. You have to select the uh, substring or the characters. After that, the number of characters you want from a particular string or particular start number, you have to be mentioned over there. Consider that we want to print only education from this particular string. Okay, so here we are going to calculate the number of uh, characters. So Guruji, we know that 6 characters are there. After that, space is mentioned. So space also we have to consider as a character and we have to counted it. So it is 7. From E starts from 8 characters. So we have to print the characters from 8th number. Okay, so our start number is 8. After that 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Uh, so 16 till 16 number we have to print. So again we have to calculate the number of characters that we want to print into the formula. So E is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 characters we want to print. So again we have to mention the formula. So again is equal to mid. So our start, so we have to first mention this text or cell reference, that is C12, comma, we want to start our characters from 8, then we want to print total 9 characters after 8, so we have to mention the 9 and the bracket is closed and press enter. So here is the output education. So once again I am going to explain the formula. Mid mid formula start from mid, then the text or cell reference we have to mention, then from which character we want to print the output, that we have to be mentioned. So we want to print from the 8 characters, that's why we mention 8 for E. Then how many characters we want from that location, that again we have to give into the input. So we want 9 characters from that string, so we are going to mention the 9 characters, number of characters. So from that we will get the education as a output. Okay, after that len function is there. So len function is used to calculate the length of the string. Okay, whatever may be the length of the string is there, we will get that length into the output. Length means what? The total number of characters contained in that text or string. Okay, so we have to we will get the output in the numerical form. Okay, so the simple formula is there. You have to mention the len, then into the bracket you have to mention the text or the cell reference. Okay, so again we are going to see over here, that is equal to len. In that we have to mention the cell reference, that is C15. Okay, the bracket close and we have to press enter. So we will get the output as 21. Okay, I hope you will get all, you will understand all these formulas. So if you have any queries, please mention in the comment section. I hope you have understand all these things and hope you like my videos. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.